Everybody, here's your order of operations video. Operations are all the things we use in math. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. You can abbreviate here with symbols if you'd like to. There's a certain order that we have to do everything in. If we don't follow that order, then we don't all get the same answer that we want. If you look at this example here, we can't just add, multiply, and subtract. There's an order we have to follow, otherwise we won't get the outcome that we're looking for. So the P, you've seen this before, you're on your next slide of notes. The P stands for parentheses. Notice how I have the word parentheses in parentheses. That's on purpose. Spell it correctly. The E, we've just been working on this. This is for exponents. I have exponent squared in this case. So just to give you an example of what an exponent is. The next two, notice how this is color-coded. That's on purpose. The next two are multiplication and division. They go together. I could say division and multiplication if I want to. They go in either order. Very important that you know that. Feel free to abbreviate those, to use the symbols, whatever you see fit. Addition and subtraction are the same as multiplication and division in that they can go either way, add or subtract. And we'll talk about how you know which one goes first here in a second. So make sure you have all that stuff down. Stop if you need to. How do we know which to do first, the division or multiplication? We go from left to right. So if I see a division first, I do that first. If I see a multiplication first, I do that one first. So I think of it like I'm reading a sentence. I read a sentence from left to right. A math expression is the same thing. I read it from left to right. Addition and subtraction is exactly the same thing. So how do I know to do division or multiplication first? I do whichever one comes first from left to right. How do I know to add or subtract first? I do whichever one of those comes first from left to right. And here's an example. Some sound effects, left to right. I would make sure that I have that written down. Stop the video whenever you need to. Here's our first example. So on the left-hand side, I have the order of operations here, and we're going to take a look at this and see what to do first. Are there parentheses? There are not, so I'm crossing the P out. Are there exponents? There are not, so I'm crossing the E out. On to multiplication and division. So I start on the left-hand side and I work my way to the right. I see both division and multiplication, but if I start on the left working this way, I see division first. I better do this one first. So I'm going to do 9 divided 3. So I know that that's 3. 9 divided 3 is 3. Now at this point I'm going to cross out division because I've used it. I'm also going to cross out this 9 divided 3 because I've used it. And I'm bringing everything else down that I've used here. Bring everything else down. Follow my steps. I promise you they work. So division's crossed off. Now I look for multiplication. I have 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. And I bring down everything that's left. There's only one operation left. In this case, it's addition. And 3 and 12 is 15. This is the work that I'm looking for. Next one. Stop the video and try this one on your own. Go ahead. All right, I look for parentheses. There are no parentheses. I look for exponents. There are exponents. 2 to the third, or 2 cubed is an exponent, of course. So 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is not 6. That is not 6, ladies and gentlemen. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Every single time, that's 8. So I'm going to put an 8 down here, and I'm going to bring down everything I haven't used yet. The 11, the addition sign, the multiplication sign, and the 5. What do I have next? I have multiplication. 8 times 5 is 40. I bring down my 11. 40 and 11 is 51. I hope that's what you came up with. Feel free to stop, go back, check it over. Next one. Stop the video and try this one on your own. Go ahead. Okay, I'm going to do division first. I see division and multiplication, but I'm going left to right. Division comes first. 26 divided 13 is 2. I bring down everything else. Now, if I look at this, I have addition, multiplication, and subtraction. I better do addition next. Or sorry, yeah, I better do multiplication next. Multiplication comes before addition. 9 times 6 is 54. I haven't used the 2 yet. I haven't used the 21 yet. I should be crossing these off as I go. Holy cow. Okay, now do I add or subtract? I start from left to right. I see addition first. I better add first. 54 and 2 is 56. And finally, I subtract those guys, and 35 it is. Again, check yours, go back, make sure your work looks like my work. And the last one. Stop the video and see if you can try this one. A little more difficult. Go for it. So the first thing we're looking for is parentheses. I see 2 sets of parentheses here. So I'm going to do the one on the left first. I'm going from left to right. So I know 42 divides 7 is 6. So I've used that now. So I'm getting rid of that. And I bring down everything else. So I still have parentheses, so I can't move on yet. 56 divided 7, I know, is 8. So I'm going to get rid of that, what I've used so far. Now remember something. This set of parentheses and this set of parentheses were smushed. Anytime 2 things in math are smushed together, that means you multiply. So really, inside of this one I had a 6, inside of this one I had an 8. So it's really 6 times 8, which we all know is 48. Order of operations, that went fast. Feel free to go back and check anything over.